Here goes some vegetable fried rice. Welcome back to my channel. Hey guys, today I'll be cooking some vegetable fried rice. So here I am adding my eggs in a little olive oil to fry them quickly. I added a little hint of black pepper. I added a little hint of salt on it. So I'll be preparing a vegetable fried rice. The rice that I used, I did not show you what I did. However, you have two options. You can cook the rice, cool it, or you can use leftover rice. In mine, I used some white onions, which after removing my eggs, I added some onions and some spice, and I'm allowing them to at least fry a little, cook a little. And I used frozen mixed vegetables. However, they were thawed out because I took it out from early, so there was no ice in it. Once I added my onions, my spice, and the mixed veggies, I added a little all-purpose seasoning. I added a little Mrs. Dash. I added a little herbs and spices to season my veggies. This is better than takeout, I can tell you, fried rice. I added a little Maggi or Goya all-purpose seasoning. Stir fried my veggies. Then I added back my eggs, the 2 eggs, and in this I cooked 2.5 cups white jasmine rice, and I cooked the rice earlier and allow it to cool. We know with white rice, you cook it, it stays there, it starts to like lump up. So in this, and I never cook my rice too soft. If you're using 2 pounds rice or 2 cups rice, use the same amount of water. And I just cook my rice as normal. You can see the grains, they're very shelly, or they're still shelly. Here I'm adding in my soy sauce. Mark you again, this is at your discretion. I'm adding some oyster sauce because it helps to bring out the flavor and taste of this rice. Yes, some oyster sauce. And then I'm using some sesame seed oil. This is what gives it that Chinese flavor. For your soy sauce, you can use as much as you want. The more you use, the darker your rice will be. I didn't want mine to be too dark. This is how I like it. If there's anything else you want to add to yours, you can add shrimp. I don't eat shrimp anymore. You can add any other meat you want. This fried rice was a veggie fried rice, and I can tell you this can be eaten as is. The flavor, the taste, and the things I used in it to enhance it. This is better than the fried rice I get out there. So get those pots out. Start cooking along with me. My videos, I try to make them as short as possible. They shouldn't be, but I'm trying to make them as short so to get persons to watch them more. So here is my finished fried rice, and then I just cover with foil paper and allow to steam. You want to make sure you mix in the soy sauce and everything that you added, so to allow everything to get the correct color. Again, welcome to Shells Island Flavor Cooking. If you're new, welcome, welcome, welcome to the gang. Please make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit your notification bell so you get notified each time I post a new video. So this was vegetable fried rice, no meat. I didn't feel for any meat, just some veggie fried rice. And once you have the ingredients I told you, please drop some comments and tell me how yours came out. Then I added some green onions, which we call back home some escallion. I just added this just for, I guess, to make the rice have different colors. But thank you for watching. Stay tuned for my next upcoming video. Again, thank you for the continued support. Please make sure you hit that like button. Please make sure you leave a comment. Please make sure you share my video. Tell others about Shells Island Flavor Cooking. See you soon. This is your cook over here on the side watching. I turned my stove down a little, and here my light turned off for some reason. Not sure what happened, why this looks a little dark, but don't mind it. Everything else was lit. Stay tuned. This was another banger coming at you. Stay blessed, stay safe, live love, give love. God is love. Stay tuned and see you soon in my next video. Love you all, and thanks again guys for your support. Look at my rice. I could eat it right now through the video.